In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your eBay account email address. Whether you've switched to a new email service or simply want to update your records, it's incredibly easy to make this change on eBay. Let's dive into the step-by-step process so you can start receiving all your important eBay notifications at your new email address. First, you'll need to log into your eBay account. Start by heading over to www.ebay.com and sign in with your username and password. It's always a good idea to ensure you're using a secure internet connection, especially when you're dealing with personal information. Once you're logged in, navigate to your account settings. You can do this by clicking on your name, which you'll usually find at the top of the page, either on the left or the right, depending on how your eBay page is set up. A drop-down menu will appear, and you'll want to select Account Settings from this menu. Next, you'll need to open your personal information settings. Look for the menu on the left side of your account settings page and find Personal Information. Click on it, and it'll direct you to the section where your email address is listed among other personal details. Now it's time to edit your email address. Locate the email address section, and you'll see an option to edit. Click the edit button next to your current email address. A field will open up, allowing you to type in your new email address. Make sure you double check the address you've entered for any typos, as this will be the address eBay uses to contact you. After entering your new email address, eBay will take a crucial step to ensure your security. They will send a confirmation link to the new email address you've provided, so go over to your email inbox and check for an email from eBay. It should contain a link to verify your new email address. Click on that link, and this completes the email change process. Once you've verified your new email address, your eBay account will be connected to it. You'll start receiving all important communications, notifications, updates, and order details to your new email address. It's as simple as that. And there you have it, a straightforward method to update your eBay email address, ensuring you won't miss any critical information from your transactions and activity on eBay. Thank you for watching, and happy